Hey everyone, this is being recorded here on Sunday, week before or the day before a very big week for earnings. I'm doing a little bit of Sunday preparation out here with a beautiful view. I always say that I think it's important to prepare for the week ahead in the markets on Sunday and not on the day of, i.e. Monday morning. As you guys know, I'm not a day trader. Nonetheless, it's really important to make a roadmap for the week ahead. This week ahead, of course, we have a huge amount of very, very important earnings, not just in the technology sector, which we'll talk about more in a second, but really across the universe of sectors and industry groups. So this coming week is a really important one for stocks. Again, keep in mind, technology stocks have been acting weaker over the past month or so. We have actually thematically reduced the large cap technology stocks from our investment themes, meaning we don't think they're going to make sustainable new all-time highs anytime soon. That doesn't mean you have to short them, but we certainly have seen some weaker acting. Obviously, Apple was a weak one last week. The semiconductor stock complex as a whole last week acted weak, and this is all coming into a very big week of earnings. So from where I stand, again, as I always say when it comes to earnings, it's important to not jump the gun, wait for earnings to pass, and then put on trades. So we're expecting a lot of opportunities to provide themselves this coming week, but again, we don't want to be jumping the gun. From the perspective of sort of options trades, we actually think there's a lot of opportunity right now for what we call options income trades. For those of you guys that follow us closely, we one of our main strategies, if not the main strategy, is to generate income using options, where we try to go for about 1 to 2% per month, and that works very well, and it works in all market environments, but particularly right now in a more elevated options volatility environment, which, by the way, is really quite normal. It's just that 2017 was a complete anomaly. So we think there's a lot of opportunity, certainly on the income side using options. A lot of the stuff that we do is sell out of the money call and put spreads in a very, very specific way. And the opportunities right now there are very big. I'll give you one quick freebie that we are looking at. We have not yet entered this trade, okay, but we are looking at this very closely, particularly for the clients of our Credit Spread Authority Trade Alert service, and that is in Alcoa. Leave it at that. It's again, it's reserved for our clients, but we're looking for an opportunity to make a neutral to quasi-bearish trade in Alcoa. We're not going to be shorting that stock, but just so you know. So there's a lot of opportunity out there, but again, the primary message I want to send you quickly today is that we have a big earnings week out this coming week, and again, large cap technology stocks are going to be a big factor. And again, keep in mind that these stocks are so heavily weighted in the indices that any movements in those companies could really lead to a bigger move in the broader market. So that's all I wanted to quickly do here on Sunday. Again, make sure you prepare for the markets ahead on Sunday. That's what I do. That's what a lot of the companies do that I work with and have worked with in the past. All the hedge funds, all the serious ones have Sunday meetings. So make sure you're prepared. I'm going to leave you with a very pretty view here, and wish you a great rest of the weekend and a wonderful start to the new week ahead. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.